So it is 99 degrees outside here in the Virginia area that I live in. It's August, it's hot. The little mini mining farm that I have set up right now is not doing so well with the 2 window units that I have. So today I'm going to have to maintenance them. And what I mean by that is like these units, they need to be drained every once in a while, and, unless you have them automatically put on like the hoses and stuff out the window or something like that. But this is the AC that I have for the mining farm right now, so that's what I have to do. So we're gonna take you on to this adventure of draining these things. Quick little video in case you've never seen it. Don't get it wrong though, during the winter time I don't even need AC. I literally can just open up the window and let some air in and it's fine. And I can bring more mining rigs into that room instead of having them separated around the house. But right now it is what it is. I have to do what I got to do, and I want to upgrade the AC units, or do something within that room. But like I said, we're still trying to settle in here, so I don't really want to drill holes into my ceiling just yet until I get everything else settled in first. Anyways, let's get started with the project. What's going on, everyone? So since I moved recently, I started getting like a little mining room together. For right now I have these window units installed, and I noticed that one of them isn't as cold as it used to be. The other one over here is actually pretty cold, but I'm gonna see if I can drain it, because sometimes these accumulate water and you need to drain them for them to be cold again. So we're gonna do that on this white one. I got a black one over here still holding really good AC, but I'll show you guys how hot it is in this room right now. It is about 98 degrees or so. It's pretty bad. If I can't get this one to work, I'm gonna have to get a better, bigger one for this room until I figure out what I'm actually gonna do with the room. I want to open up some exhaust and everything around here and set it up to where it's like I shouldn't even feel this hot, but still a work in progress, still settling in, so still trying to figure it out. Okay, so since I'm doing this one now, I might as well get the other one done. I just want to make sure this one turns on first so I don't die of heat stroke in here. Yeah, I'll end up just doing the black one as well while we're here. It makes sense. I mean, why not, right? Before I do the other one though, this is what we pulled out of the first one. See that? Nice and dirty water. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and do this one now. Alright, so I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear me, but these window units, they come with 2 holes, one top, one bottom, just like you saw in the first one. And they both accumulate water. When I first got these, I thought it was just going to be one, either the top or the bottom, but it seems that these always do both. Oh man, there's still hot air coming out of here. Alright, let's see. And they are extremely heavy. Put off the cap. There's like a little rubber tubing here. Now again, I don't know if this one's also gonna have water. Oh, there it goes. It's like water coming out of somewhere else. I think it's actually from up here. Let me plug this up. And we'll take our hose, wherever I left the hose. We'll check the top one. There we go. So there you can have a look of where I stick the hose on. It just goes right over the inner hole that's in there. Just like that. Now, these are actually supposed to be, or the hoses are supposed to completely be on all the time. And then it'll automatically drain as it needs to. But the way that I have everything set up here, I can't do that. So I periodically just kind of clean these out or drain these out, which tends to work. But make sure that you never not drain these, because they can actually stop working completely. Like they won't run any cold air at all. And most people think they're broken, but in reality they just need to be drained. I'm sweating my butt off right now. It's so bad in here. I have my door open to let some other air in, but it's still 90, 97, 96, something like that in here. So yeah, this white one already feels a lot better, so that's good. And the black one is turning on now, which now they should blow a little bit colder air. Yeah, this one definitely feels a little better, so that's good. It did the job. This one immediately just turns on. It's just cold. This is a lot more. This is a lot stronger though. This is a 12,000 BTU. This is only 8,000 BTU. What I want to do is actually change to 2 of these, because since we have an HOA where I live now, there's not a lot that I can do exterior wise, and I have this like on the front facing part of the house, so it's hard for me to just like add gigantic exhaust ventilation in this room. So my idea is actually, I want to kind of go ahead and send it out to the top to the ceiling. Take one of those vents, send all the air out that way somehow. But we'll figure that out at some point. And then I'll probably end up bringing more rigs in here if we could actually get the hot air out. Because right now I'm kind of stuck at the amount that I have in here. But this is what it is. Man, I need a shower. Alright everybody, we're already dropping in temperatures because this one over here is actually working now. Here, check this out. We were at like 98. We're about 90, 92, 93, something like that. So that's cool. That works out. So definitely drain your stuff. Hopefully y'all can hear me, but if you enjoyed this video, this was helpful to you, please hit that like button, subscribe button, whatever you got to do, share it. I will try to bring up more videos. I will try to keep more things updated for you in other future videos. And let's get through this crypto situation together. And hopefully that after the merge, it doesn't all just go to heck and we are all still making money. Take care. See you on the next one.